Nisha Bhatt. Welcome back to the Cooking Hub. So today I bring to you vanilla flavored eggless pancakes. So this is a quick and easy recipe, simple eggless pancakes. I'm just going to keep it plain and easy. So it's very delicious. You can serve it in the morning with your favorite fruits, curd or milk. So yes, let's get started. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, and this recipe contains all the easiest available ingredients, so you don't have to go outside to buy anything. Mostly 90 to 95% of ingredients are found in your own pantry. So thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. So to make the eggless vanilla pancakes, first of all we are going to mix in the dry ingredients. So here I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. I'm going to be adding it over here. So I have used the measuring cups, 1.5 cup. Next I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can just take sugar and make it into fine powder. So I'm adding in 3 tablespoons. So there we go, 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Now next in a pinch of salt, just a little bit, and now I'm going to mix these dry ingredients well, just until it combines. Here I have some warm milk, so I'm using 1.25 cup of warm milk. In this I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of butter in warm milk. So I'm just going to mix till the butter gets melted in the milk. Butter plays a very big role in making the pancakes fluffy. Now remember, this is an eggless recipe of pancakes. Trust me, it's going to be very nice, light, fluffy and tasty. It's not a must only the pancakes that contain eggs are nice. So yes, this is also a very nice recipe. In our family we don't eat eggs, but we still like making such recipes in the eggless versions. So this looks like it's done. So now gradually, slowly by slowly, I'm going to add the milk plus butter mixture inside the dry ingredients. So just slowly by slowly add in, and then taking the whisk and mixing it. Just mix well until everything is combined nicely. Mixing the batter. Don't worry, it's going to hold the nice consistency just now. Be patient. Keep on mixing. Make sure no lumps are formed at the end. Right now there are some lumps, but slowly by slowly I'm going to break the lumps and make it into a smooth batter. The last batch of milk goes inside. There we go. The milk and the butter mixture is added. Now slowly by slowly I'm going to mix this. Stir in well. It's mixed nicely, as you can see. Now make sure you're whisking it only in one direction to avoid lumps. This batter is almost ready. The last ingredient I'm going to be adding is 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. If you have vanilla extract, that is more nice, but here I didn't get vanilla extract, so I'm going to mix it well. So yeah, I didn't get vanilla extract, so I'm using the vanilla essence. So mix it nicely. Now this can also be called the plain pancakes, plain eggless pancakes, or vanilla pancakes. So you can see the batter is light and fluffy. Let me show you. This is how the consistency should be. Simple dropping consistency. So this is ready. so we can start making our pancakes. So as the pancake batter is ready, I'm taking in 1/4 cup, the measuring cup, and I'm going to use this for pouring the pancakes. So I'm taking up a non-stick tawa, non-stick pan. I'm just going to add in some drops of oil. There we go. Now I'm going to take a tissue and I'm going to wipe it. This much of oil is enough. We don't need a lot of oil in this recipe. So on low flame, I'm taking in 1/4 cup of the batter and pouring it over here. So there we go. On low flame, remember, so it will hold its shape on its own. Just take the pan and just do like this. So as I'm using the non-stick pan, I'm not using a lot of oil. Now wait for the bubbles to appear. As soon as the bubbles start appearing, just know that it's almost time to flip the pancake. And we are not going to allow the pancake side to dry out, like not completely dry, just some droplets to appear. So this is almost ready to be flipped. So I'm taking in 2 spatulas over here and slowly I'm going to flip this. 1, 2, 3, go. So it's slowly going to rise up from the sides. Now I'm putting the flame on medium. I'm going to press it just a little bit. Now I'm going to flip it once again. So you can see light and fluffy pancake. We are still going to cook it on both sides till medium golden color. So this pancake is very tasty. You can make it for breakfast, for kids, for adults. Now I'm going to turn it once more. So you can see it's almost medium golden color. Also on the other side, I'm going to make it on medium golden color. So let's wait. So it's time to take it out. So I'll take it out. So I'll take it out on a plate. Now I'll make a few more. So I don't need more extra oil. So I'm just going to pour again 1/4 cup. Just pour it. Spread it as I said earlier, just like this. And that's done. On low flame, wait for the bubbles to appear. So you'll see small mini bubbles appearing. These pancakes are light and fluffy. We are not using any other ingredients, just the easily available ingredients that we have. So the bubbles have started to appear. So it's time for me to flip. Just a little more bubbles and I'll flip this. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Wow, look at the color of the pancake. So it's starting to rise from the sides. Wow, so nice. Do prepare these pancakes and tell me how it is. So today I'm preparing mini pancakes. Very nice and cakey type of pancakes. So this is done. I'll flip it over. Wow, look at this, how nice. This looks so good. I'm so excited to be preparing this recipe. So you can see the light and dark golden color. So this is ready now. I want to show you the behind part just for once. See the color. See, this is such a perfect eggless pancake. So I'm going to drop this as well in the plate. So here we go. So now again on low flame, I'm going to prepare the rest of the pancakes. So again taking in a 1/4 cup of the pancake batter. Wait till the other batter falls in, and again pouring it. Just wait till all the batter comes here, and then just like this, and there we go. This is done. On low flame, wait for the bubbles to start appearing before we flip. Now make sure not to make this on high flame, only low flame starting, and in the middle medium flame. So with this recipe I'm going to be preparing around 10 to 12 pancakes. So this recipe you can make it for 3 to 4 people, I guess, for breakfast. So the bubbles are starting to appear. Make sure the upper part doesn't become dry. So before it becomes dry, you have to flip. So you have to be gentle and quick. So it's almost ready to be flipped. Take it like this slowly, and then I usually say 1, 2, 3 and flip. Wow. nice golden color. Without keeping on medium flame, I got this nice golden color. So now as we have turned, I'm going to just press it just lightly, and I'm going to keep it on just medium flame. I'm going to turn it like this. I enjoy making pancakes, especially my sister Dhruvi loves pancakes. So just 1 to 2 minutes on each side and the pancake is ready. So this is a very short and quick recipe. You don't have to do anything else to make this. So I'm going to flip it now. Flip it, 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Okay, so this side needs to be cooked again. So around 20 to 30 seconds I'm going to cook the other side, and then I'm going to flip it again and cook it. You must cook all these sides, remember, because it's maida, it may take just a little bit time to cook, a little bit of more time to cook. So 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'm going to flip it. Nice air bubbles are appearing, so I'll flip it again. There we go. So just press it a bit. We want it to be completely cooked. I'll make the low flame again. Low flame. Just toss it like this. As the tawa is still hot, just 10 to 20 more seconds until it's ready. These pancakes can be served with any fruits of your choice. Fruits, jam, milkshake, or fruit salad if you wish, or simple milk. So this is ready. So I'm going to take it out. There we go. Just over here. So I've almost prepared all the pancakes. There we go. I've prepared. Now the rest pancakes, I'm going to prepare them just before we serve. So I'm preparing 2 of them right here. It's time to flip. Wow, look at this pancake. Oh my god. And look at this second one as well. It's ready to be flipped. Just slowly by slowly taking it out, and 1, 2, 3, go. Look at this light golden brown color. Imagine I got this color without using any eggs. Usually some of my friends used to always say that you cannot prepare pancakes without eggs. So today I bring to you an eggless pancakes recipe, and just see this 2's color. Can you believe I've created this recipe without eggs? I also can't believe. So this is the last pancake that I'm preparing, and it's time to flip. Wow, so nice. I'm so proud of myself. Tasty, fluffy pancakes. Can't say anything. Remember, if you're making it for kids, you can also drizzle some chocolate syrup and kids will enjoy. still going to cook it on that other side, and then we are going to start serving this recipe like just after some time. So I've prepared around 10 pancakes with this recipe. So I'm going to switch off the gas, as the heat on the tawa is going to make sure the other side is well cooked. Just scraping it a bit, pressing it well. Let me see if it's cooked. Wow, so this is ready as well. It's completely ready. So I'm going to serve it on a serving plate. The eggless fluffy pancakes are ready. I've served them on a plate, and I've taken one banana and sliced it round. I'm going to place over here slice of banana and some bananas over here. Bananas are very healthy, especially for morning breakfast. You can prepare this easy pancakes and serve it to your children. Remember, breakfast is very important. It plays an important role in giving us good benefits, good health benefits the entire day. So do not skip breakfast. Make sure to at least make something easy and light for your breakfast. At least eat something. Do not go to school or do not go to college or job or to your business without having breakfast. So now you don't have any reason to skip breakfast. Prepare this nice, tasty and easy breakfast recipe, eggless pancakes. So this recipe is ready. I'm feeling so happy and I'm glad to have shared this recipe with you guys. I learned it some years back, and today I'm glad I'm sharing it with you people. So you can see how nice it looks. And I'm even going to take one pancake and open it and show you the air bubbles and the fluffiness of it. So I want to show you how fluffy and soft these pancakes are. So first I'll take this over here, keep it on the side. Next I'm taking in this pancake, you can see. So I'm going to cut it with the knife. I want to show you guys how nice it is. See this. See how soft and fluffy. See, very tasty. It's yummy. It's really nice. So, and then I'm going to show you one more. This one over here. Just see how soft it is. See, just see the air bubbles inside. See, and the color is amazing as well. So I'm ready to taste these pancakes. So let's do the tasting session. So I've cut them into smaller sizes. I'm taking a fork. I'm going to take some bananas. Next I'm going to place it over here. Now remember, we are doing the tasting session. Normally I don't like eating bananas. I know they are good for health, but if I have something like pancake or something like that, then I can eat the bananas. So it's time to taste. So I'm ready to taste the pancakes. So nice. One more. Let me tell you guys, they are very nice. Someone like me doesn't like so much sugar. The sugar is well balanced, everything is well incorporated. It's slightly sweet, it's tasty, yummy, very soft. It's almost like a cakey texture. So one more goes in. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. So this recipe is done. Do try it at home for breakfast or side snacks, or when your children come home hungry, you can prepare this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.